If you want to remove people from a photo on the Motorola Moto G87, first of all, we need to open the Photos app. And then over here, you want to open the photo that you want to edit. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and choose this photo as an example. And we're going to tap on Edit at the bottom of the screen. Then over here, you want to switch to Actions, and you should be able to find the magic eraser. You want to select it, wait a couple of seconds, and then you should be able to tap, circle, or brush people that you want to remove from your photo. So let's say I'm just going to tap on this person over here. Let's wait for it to be selected. There we go. And then we should be able to tap on Erase. Wait a couple of seconds, and you should be able to erase that person from your photo. There we go. You can, of course, select or try to select multiple people at once. Let's say these ones. Then we should be able to tap on Erase, and then let's see. Of course, if there is anything after removing these people, then you should be able to still select that area just like that. And you can try to erase whatever is left after them to improve the photo even more. So let's say I'm going to also select this person over here. There we go. And let's erase it. And let's also select the last person over here. And let's confirm that we want to erase. And after a couple of seconds, you should be able to be done. So let's just tap on this check in the bottom right corner. And then we should be able to save as a copy. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.